Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have a Windows 11 build that supports taskbar search options, and sign in with an admin account when planning registry edits. Once done, open Settings and go to Personalization taskbar to see the Quick Search toggle. This gives you icon, hidden, or search box in many builds. Make sure you also open Registry Editor now, press Win+R, type Regedit, and hit Enter. This moves you from basic UI changes toward the deeper, persistent icon change. Next, navigate to HKey current user /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /search in Registry Editor. Before changing anything, right-click the search key and choose Export to save a reg backup. This lets you restore settings if needed. Then find Search Box Taskbar Mode. If it's absent, create a DWORD 32-bit value with that exact name. Set its value to 1 for the icon, 2 for the search box, or 0 to hide. Make sure to use decimal mode and double-check the number before proceeding. Finally, apply your change by restarting Windows Explorer. Open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, right-click and restart. Alternatively, sign out and sign back in or reboot. Once done, check the taskbar to confirm the new search icon state. If the icon didn't change, reopen Regedit, confirm Searchbox Taskbar Mode is correctly named and set to 0, 1, or 2, and restore the exported reg backup if something went wrong. If problems persist, reboot the PC and verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.